Hi everyone, today we'll be cooking stir-fry gourd. The ingredients you need are 1 gourd, some chive and green onions, 2 eggs, a quarter of the onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of dry shrimp, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Next, what you need to do is to heat up your pan. Once your pan is heated up, add in your extra virgin olive oil. Next, put in your garlic. Next, you need to add in your dry shrimp. Add in your onions. Now add in your gourd. And then coat it with the rest of your ingredients. Now that the gourd is about to cook, add in your 2 eggs.